gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
Hello lovely berries, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Audrey. Go ahead and turn on those post notifications, subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and comment down below. On today's video, we have the Kiss Voguish Fantasy. This is in the short length. We have the gold coffin or ballerina shape, however you would like to say it, in the black gel. And it has the gold sparkly, and then there is a design one that is French or ombre, if you like to say. And it has the moon with the astrological stars, I believe. Comment down below if it's called something else. But I decided to do a nice short look for fall. It's giving fall, don't you think? Fall, October, Halloween kind of look. I will do some other Halloween nails. Comment down below if there's a particular nail set that you would like for me to do. Alright, if you are interested on how these pretty nails will look, continue watching. Alright y'all, in this nails, it comes with 28 nails. Again, the shape is short. Comes with glue, the one I particularly like. We all have like several of these. We're not even gonna go into that. But as you can see, comes like this. No stickies are included. It looks like they're getting away from having stickies included. It looks like, you know, the Kiss is just going to be glue, and then some of them there is like they have sets of packs where you can get it all together, bundles, that's what they're called. But this comes with the toothpick and the file, the nail file. It looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decorative nails, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gold nails, and then the rest of the nails are black. So I want to figure out how I should do it. Maybe go on Pinterest. You can look to see how you like the nails to be. Let's see. Maybe I will work with it and see how it goes. Okay, let's see.
I guess, yeah. Swam now with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Going to Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down there, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time, can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my
Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand.
I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Always felt like my vision been bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you suck right now. Yeah, you thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl, how about now? Yeah, girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Now.
Alright, so very cute nails, short nail, everyday, perfect for fall. Comment down below what you think. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you have subscribed if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you for watching this video. Again, hit that thumbs up. Comment down below if there's a certain set you would like for me to do. Thank you for watching. Stay sweet, maybe a little sour. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get